We want to look at another type of application story problem. And so this one is a lot more in-depth than the previous ones that we've done. This one says I'm given all this data below in this table and I need to find the average cost. So we know that when we think of average, that means that we're going to divide by total number of items that we see. So what's really important is this column right here, because I noticed that not everything is just one. I have one dining room table, but I've got 10 chairs to go with it. I've got 3 sectionals and I've got 4 beds. So what I'm going to have to do first is I need to find out how much I have of everything. So I'm going to write it in one big long equation. If you want to write it in pieces, make sure you do what's most comfortable for you. So I have one dining room table and it cost $4,199.15. And then I have 10 chairs at $1,274.35. And then I have 3 sectionals for $8,437.60. And hopefully this will all fit. I've got 4 times 3,119.2, just barely. Now, if I want to find an average, I'm going to have to take this whole thing and divide by the total. So I'm going to do 1 plus 10 plus 3 plus 4, which is 18. So what I want you to do is I want you to go stop the video and go actually do the addition and multiplication on top, and then come back and check your answer. Now, I'm just going to give you each one first, and then I'll add them up together. So now that you've come back, I'm just actually have multiplied these out first, so you can check to make sure the numbers that you got when you multiplied them together by hand, remember not to use a calculator, are correct, so that when we do add them together, you get the correct answer. Now this whole thing is still over 18. So I went through and I'm going to actually add all of these together. Remember, you want to line it up vertically so that your decimal points are in a single line, and then add. And you should get 54,732.25. Now you're going to divide that by 18. So remember, you're going to have to use long division, which I know is nobody's favorite. And when you do that, you're going to get 3,040.680 and then repeating 5. So since it's money, we're going to round to the nearest hundredths. And so this would become 3,040.68. Now, if you need me to work out all the individual steps, please let me know and I'm happy to make a video for that. Otherwise, this is your condensed version, even though it's over 3 minutes.